Hi guys, Reen here and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm playing Minecraft. So let's start it. Pretty sure this is my house. My server. And I'm actually love to play this game. And yeah, this is sign of YouTube. Look, YouTube. And behind the YouTube it has tree. If you can make a parkour anyway. This is creative and peaceful. Alright, so if you wanna make a parkour, you go in this. Why? Oh, never mind. Just kidding. And pretty sure actually, you guys, this is my house and that is my farm. First, you wanna watch my farm. Alright, so look at my farm. That's a chicken and oh no, don't. Oh my god, that's a chicken and a cow and the sheep is swimming. And this is my farm. This is actually my farm. Yeah, it's road farm. And this is my house, Green's house. Alright, so this is my house. You can't break it if you want. You can't even break. Alright, and this is the chest that I make for armor and weapon. I'm pretty sure I love diamond because diamond is my favorite in Minecraft. Yes, so look at this, it's torches. It's not torture. And suddenly this is my night lamp. And that is my bed. My bed is here. You can only sleep at night. So, alright, fine, sorry. And this is when I'm cook in these two fans. Wait, what? Stove. Yeah, and this is the fridge. It's pretty sure it's not a great fridge. If you guys want to know, this actually a sink. You can, if you want to wash your hand, just click on the sink. Oh, alright, guys. And pretty sure you guys. Oh, this is spoiled. Sorry, guys. Pretty sure you guys can build wherever you want. You guys can build in here if it has space, and you guys can build in here. You guys can build in here. You guys can build in here and there also, and in the desert if you guys like it. If you guys like the desert, but if you guys hit the cactus, that's okay because this is creative. Create a monsters will come. Lol. I'm gonna go with my house to show you something. Alright. So I'm pretty sure I like this weapon, the diamond sword. The diamond sword. Oh, there you go. This is the diamond sword that I don't want to use yet. Oh, there's my thing. Sorry guys. Well, thank you guys so much to watch this. I hope you guys enjoy and please leave a like button and subscribe and add a comment down below if you guys like this and if you guys want to join my server. So bye.